Hi, everyone. This is our 2000 West full enclosure laser cutting machine with single motorized table. It is fully enclosed and has an observation port. The observation port can also be opened to directly view the cutting degree. Okay, after looking at the outside, let's take a look at the inside. There is a door on the side that opens to see the inside of the machine. There will be a camera inside and another one on the opposite corner of this camera, a total of 2, mainly to monitor the machine while it is working to prevent any problems. Of course, the internal images are also monitored in real time on the display. This is our cutting head. We said before that the antenna on the top of the machine is a warning light. In addition to the top, we also have warning lights on the bottom. They represent yellow, standby, green, cutting, red, alarm. How do we usually load materials? We just need to press a button and the cutting platform will extend. Once we have fixed the material, we can retract it and there is no need to open the door to put it in. Now it's time for us to cut. Let's get started. This is our laser cutting machine. If you like it, please contact us.